Hey, so I wanted to talk to you about using different kinds of things to border your flower beds. We've talked about in a couple of our other videos about wooden edges, brick edgings, things like that. I always tell clients as well that you can also use, this is dwarf mondo grass or dwarf liripy, and you can also use these kind of materials to develop and to build the edges of beds. My particular home, I use a liripy around the edge of the flower beds to create a bed line, to create edges. You can use this to create the edges of sidewalks as well. It's a very simple plant, very easy to maintain, and there's not a whole lot of work that has to be done to this particular plant, but it does give you that bordering, that edging type look that a lot of clients are looking for. So, you know, we think about all the other things, the metals and things like that and plastics, but keep in mind there's a couple of plants out there that are available to us in our region, in our area, that do great for flower bed borders as well.